Alrighty guys, so today we are going to do a little bit of maintenance, and then later on in another video we're going to fix the problem. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we are going to be fixing my air conditioner. We're going to do a little maintenance on it to see if we can't get it to act properly correct. Let me show you why. When you turn it off, I'm going to try to turn it back on. I want you to listen to it. Okay, you hear that? That's a problem. That is the blower fan motor that is going bad and sticking in there. So what we're going to try to do today is we're going to try to go up there and solve the problem. Okay? Alright, be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you know who this is, American Country Boy Rebel. Why is he going on my roof? Because my fat ass is too fat. What I've done is I've turned off the air conditioner. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn off the power, unplug it from power totally, so that when American Country Boy Rebel goes to start going in there, he won't get shocked. So, Mr. ACR, get on up there. Very carefully, please. Now, first thing he's going to do, let me show you guys. There's 4 screws in the top. He's going to take those 4 screws out.
Okay, your thing is stuck on not drill mode, but you know, we're not drilling into your outs.
You're going in, not out.
Yeah, apparently it doesn't.
Okay, hold on. Don't strip it out.
I don't want to strip your. There. See what I mean?
Hold on. It's not big enough. Oh, it's not what I want to do.
Well, this is what you do not do.
Alrighty guys, so after we put some WD-40 in there, I'm going to show you what she sounds like now. She's completely off. She's been off for a good 30 minutes now, so let's see what she sounds like after WD-40 in the blow motor. Spins perfectly guys, no humming, no hesitation, no anything. Let her wait a little bit. Usually we hear the when it slows down because the fan is sticking. Doesn't do it at all anymore. WD-40 is an amazing product. Alright guys, so my apologies for not being able to get the footage of us spraying the blow motor shaft on the fan end and the motor end. I got it to work, but as you can see, well, let me show you. Alrighty guys, my apologies for the wind. It is blowing, so this is probably going to be a very, very blowy video, portion of the video anyway, so my apologies off the beginning, but I just wanted to show you what happened when you heard me and Cody, or heard me go, oh crap, this is what happened. I actually was leaning on this while we were trying to get this particular screw out, which would not come out. And when I did, I pretty much broke the shroud. Now here's the deal guys. The shroud didn't break because of my weight. It broke because it was very brittle. I mean, I'm breaking it in my hand right now. This thing has probably been on here since the actual, it has, because it still has the Coleman Mach. You guys can see the Coleman Mach logo on this thing. This is the original housing that came on this actual RV. So, yeah. It's very brittle, and it was eventually going to go anyway. And if you look here, you see it's cracked there, it's cracked on that one, that one looks to be okay, and it was cracked over here on this one here too. So it's okay. It got cracked. What to do? I'm going to have to buy a new shroud. What I'm going to do is I'm going to patch this. Before I patch this, I wanted to show you guys, if I could, what the blow motor, if I can do this without breaking the rest of the shroud, looks like. There is a, if you can see my finger, see this shaft right here? There's a long shaft in the middle that goes on the end down there. There's a fan blade. On the other end of that is a shaft, as you can see right there. That is the blow motor, and that just kind of comes out of there, and you take that whole section out. You take the fan off, take the whole section out, and then replace that motor. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wire setup. So a 5-wire motor is what I'm going to need. But I just want to show you guys what we WD-40. We WD-40 the shaft itself, the end going into the shaft, and the fan and the shaft itself down there. Once we did that a couple times, it actually came clear. So what I'm up here doing now is, since I know my air conditioner's not humming and I can turn it off without it sounding like it's going to blow up, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick patch of this, because I don't want water getting in here. Now I will tell you this, guys, if water gets inside of the shroud, it's okay. The components inside these AC units for the RVs, and I'm pretty sure it's similar to the regular air conditioners too, are made for the outdoor weather. So if it gets a little wet, it's not going to hurt anything. All the wires are covered up, and there's no open wires in here at all. I didn't see anything in here that would tell me that it would be dangerous for open wires or anything like that. I did look inside here a little bit, didn't take the shroud off, but I didn't see any dirt dauber nests that were obvious, so I think we're fine on that level. But yeah, the shroud's got to get replaced, and I'm going to do a quick patch on this thing right here, so let me get set up for that. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of prep the area around it. I'm going to take some alcohol here, put it on a paper towel, and I'm just going to politely prep the area around where I'm going to put my repair at. And this is just to help promote adhesion to the shroud. What I'm about to do here is not a permanent fix, guys. Like I said, it's a temporary fix until I can get a new shroud, and we'll keep the rain out of this particular hole. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use some of this insulation tape here that was sent to me by my boy Smelling Roses. Thank you, sir, again. It is coming in handy. So basically what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to measure a piece across here like that. Take a pair of scissors, cut it, peel it back. And slap it on here, like so. Alright guys, so the goal here is not to keep water out of the air conditioner, because obviously water's going to get in with the vents on the side that's used to ventilate the AC unit itself. It's used to get the water in it. The purpose here is to keep unnecessary water from getting inside of the air conditioner. And this patch with the insulation tape will actually hold it, I'm hoping. Smelling Roses, please confirm. But this should hold it and keep it until I can actually get another housing for this thing, so that it'll be in a much better position. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is a little quick fix I want to do today. We got my air conditioner sounding a lot more like an air conditioner and not a squealy pig. So I guess the next time we see you guys will be when we change out the blower motor on this thing, because it is definitely in the list of lines to do. Until the next video, guys, we'll see you next time on Campering with Camo.